front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to hit Display. Now scroll again, but this time select this section called Font Size and Style. When you're ready, go into Font Style and apply any of those by tapping on the best one for you. So when I do that and go back, I can see that style of my font has changed. Now, if you want to try something more interesting, go back to the same section of your settings and this time hit Download Fonts. Log in into your Samsung account if you didn't do that already and download any font style you like thanks to this button right next to it or by tapping on it and hitting Install. Either way, when you're ready, go back to the list to apply it. Just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!